In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss in cTrader Mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, I would recommend you go to the Trade tab at the bottom left because it's the easiest to actually set a stop loss over here. And then you want to either tap on a specific asset on your watch list or search for one up top. I'm going to go for US Tech 100, for example, and tap on it. And then from here at the bottom, you can tap on a new order over here, and it's going to open up this menu. You could also alternatively simply tap on new order on the basic trade menu at the bottom left. So as you can see, it says new order bottom right, and there's like the blue button, so you want to tap on that. It's going to open the same thing. Or you can just find an asset and tap on sell or buy next to it, and it's going to open that thing as well. Now here you want to first select your symbol up top, and of course whatever you want to trade, and whenever you do that, you can set if you want to buy or sell, select quantity, etc. And then down here at the bottom, the third option with these check marks is a stop loss. So to set a stop loss, you simply want to enable this like that, and you can select your stop loss in pips over here. So I'm gonna go and select, for example, -10, and down here you can see the price, and then trigger can be either trade, opposite, double trade, or double opposite. Okay, now whenever you've done this, you can then just go and place your order with a stop loss, and there we go, a stop loss has been set on cTrader Mobile. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.